In this video, you're going to learn how to make eating healthy a lifestyle and not a duty. Basically, a healthy diet is the basis for a well-functioning body. It's an important part of leading a healthy lifestyle. Food is the source of energy for all of our bodily functions and directly affects how our bodies and minds function in every stage of life. There are several details that are involved in eating healthy, including moderation, variety, and balance. Now, a person should try to balance different nutrients in food, like protein food, vegetables, dairy products, and grains, while minimizing alcohol, processed food, and saturated fats. And I bet that you didn't know that eating a variety of food from each food group helps a person to get all of the important nutrients. Healthy eating helps to prevent conditions like heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, and some types of cancer. Protein helps in repairing body tissues, while carbohydrates provide the body with energy. Therefore, making healthy eating a habit that will go a long way in ensuring the health of an individual. But remember this, it shouldn't be a duty to eat healthy. It should be adopted as a constant lifestyle. Generally, we all know the benefits of having a healthy body. But however, a lot of people don't really know how to obtain and sustain a healthy body. That's where the real challenge is. But did you know that many of the sicknesses and diseases that we see today are the result of indifferent or ignorant attitudes towards necessary self-care, poor eating habits, and always thinking that, oh, it won't happen to me? Well, just think about this. How many patients can foresee that they're going to get sick? Because most of the time when it hits them, it's already too late. There's a golden old saying of, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. A high percentage of people can have preventable diseases if they have sufficient and accurate knowledge on nutrition and supplements. The key to a balanced diet is to eat in moderation. It is an important tip to eating healthily. Eating in moderation is a way of life, not a way of dieting. If you choose to practice this health tool, you may just find a new sense of confidence and awareness of yourself and your body. Now, you can choose which path you wish to take to make your life's journey a fulfilling, joyful, and healthy one. Start by making today healthier than yesterday. But you're probably asking, how can I do that? Well, number one, you set achievable goals. These are goals that are going to gradually change your health status and overall lifestyle into a better and healthier one. You're going to see and feel the difference once you start working on achieving these goals in a timely manner. Number two, begin with cultivating the right mindset that will fuel your willpower to stay on track, but also changes your daily mood to strive for the better. It is extremely essential that you learn to feel good about what you're doing and how you're going to transform. And finally, number three, always think to yourself that you look good, because it increases your self-esteem. If you look at people who are struggling with mental disorders related to eating habits, let's say anorexia, where they refuse to eat, or maybe even bulimia nervosa, also known as binge eating, you're going to see the mental pattern falls into the same category, which they think that they're not good enough. But the truth is, it's a mental illness that leads an individual to problematic eating disorders that harm one's overall health and lifestyle. And it can be life-threatening as well. Therefore, it's super important to have a positive mindset about your own body and how you see yourself. Now, let me ask you a question. What do you know about mindset? Now, I'm sure you've heard about how mindset plays the biggest role in determining your actions. And yes, it is indeed true. Your mindset is the fuel to your actions. When you feel good about yourself, you will look good. And you might not be good enough now, but don't worry. Don't beat yourself up. All you have to do is to keep a positive mindset. And not just that, a fitter and healthier you leads to higher productivity as well. And the truth is, most people think that a diet is associated with weight loss, bodybuilding, and good body shapes. But what they've forgotten is that a diet is equally important in overall health and well-being. By taking the time to learn how to eat healthy, you've stepped onto the route that leads to an in-shape, healthy body. And finally, take a minute to think over this famous quote. Success is a journey, not a destination. Now take that quote and replace the word success with the word fitness. Learning how to make the correct decisions in your nutrition will convert to a healthy lifestyle that's never ending. Begin to construct the habits that will step up your enjoyment and quality of life today.